Hey guys, Dalton here, and this video is an unboxing and first impressions of my Strapcode bracelet for my Seiko Sumo. I apologize in advance if I sound a little weird or I'm stuttering a little bit, but it's 11:16 p.m. and I had a 15-hour workday, so I'm a little beat. Corona is what's for dinner. Okay, so this time I'm coming to you from the Courtyard Marriott in Doral, Florida, Miami, Florida. I went home for the weekend and I changed hotels. So this package just arrived today. I bought this item on August 24th. By the way, that is the item I bought. I bought it at Amazon. It says that it retails for $115 plus $7.50 shipping. When I went to the checkout page, I got a credit for $7.50, so I ended up having free shipping. I don't know how that happened, but that's that. Anyway, oh, by the way, I got the link to buy this bracelet out of one of Jeffrey McMahon's videos. He posted the link. I ended up buying the Oyster band, the one that looks like the Rolex band. I have a ton of watches, well, not a ton, I have a couple of watches with that same style band and I like it, so I went with it. By the way, if you didn't catch it, that's my Tudor Black Bay Blue, and it's back on the bracelet. Anyway, so this is the package. I'm going to open it and see what's that. I'm going to use Benchmade, same one I used the last time. Being careful not to cut myself because I have a history of cutting myself. I don't know if you can tell how that thumb is thinner. Yeah, that was me cutting myself. Anyway, no receipt, just a bracelet. And it comes on inside a Ziploc bag. Let's open it up. Oops. Okay, one of the pins fell out. The other one's still there. Okay, it has plastic on both sides. Let's take the plastics off. Okay. Has very little rattle. And man, that's impressive. That is impressive how solid it is. Good job, Strapcode. Okay, so that's how it works. There's a little movement there, but not really that much. And let me look at the diver's extension. How does this work? Let's see, okay. Oh, that's pretty neat. So, man, that is solid. Good job, Strapcode. Okay, if you move it like this, it has, yeah, more wiggle, if you will, than a Rolex bracelet. But if you put both of them like that, it has less sag than the bracelet I had on my old GMT, and definitely less sag than my old Datejusts. but more sag than the new GMT that I have, and a little bit more sag maybe than the Tudor. Let's compare it with the Tudor. So yeah, the Tudor has less sag, 0 rattle by the way. Then this one has just a little bit more sag and just a bit more rattle. But let's face it, guys, this bracelet is $115, and a single link for a Rolex bracelet is twice that much. So I think for the money, that's pretty good. Let's see what I have here. The Sumo is still here. So this bracelet will go the Sumo, and Jeffrey said that there is a difference of shade. I don't see it. I don't know if you guys can tell me that you guys see a difference in the shade of the brush. Maybe I'm too tired, but I don't see it. Don't look at the polish part, look at the brush part. And it looks pretty much the same. Maybe I have to see it in the daylight and when I'm not exhausted mentally. But I don't see it. Maybe there a little bit. Oh no. Well, I'm extremely happy with the bracelet. I'm gonna put it on tomorrow morning because it's a little bit too late. And I'm gonna wear it for a few days, maybe a couple of weeks. And then I'm gonna do a full review on the watch and also the bracelet. I wanna thank Jeffrey McMahons for the suggestion on the bracelet. That was pretty awesome, dude. Thank you. And till next time, guys, I'm out. Bye.